Let me show you the most dangerous thing in all of off-roading. It's this little ball right here, and a lot of people like to use this to recover their vehicles. But let me tell you, when the bolt that holds this in shears off and this ball comes through your windshield at a couple hundred miles an hour, it's lethal. So, don't do that. Get one of these. This is a tow link or a tow receiver link, whatever you want to call it. There's a bunch of different versions of these. Get one of these. They're specifically made for recovering your vehicle. I'll put a link in my bio for it. Don't lose your head. Get something different.